how to use LFO in sound design with FL Studio. Alright, an LFO is basically an oscillator, but it runs at super low frequency like below 20 Hz. And here's the thing, even though it has a frequency, it doesn't work like regular sound or note. Instead, it used to create effects or repeating changes. Think of an LFO as automatic wave that handles stuff for you. The easiest way to understand it is to jump into the VST settings. Whatever this thing is called, you know, the one with the little icon here. Once you're in, you will see the LFO section. First, decide what you want to modulate with the LFO. For this example, I'll use it on the volume. Pick the wave shape you want. Some advanced VST like Serum even lets you draw your own LFO shape. Now, as you can hear, the volume is following the LFO wave, creating cool, choppy, modern effects. You've probably heard something like this in the songs before, and everything here can be linked to the LFO. Feel free to mess around with all these settings. Experiment and listen to how everything changed. Honestly, that's the best way to learn everything. So, what you think? If you enjoy a tutorial like this, make sure to follow guys. Thanks!